I'm back at you with another video, man. Today, man, we digging up peanuts. I'm gonna show y'all how it works. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to like, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell, man, so you know every time your boy drop, man. There we go, man. I'm finna show y'all. Alright, this is how the peanuts look when they dug up. This is how they look when they dug up. Like this right here. Yep, this is how they look when they dug up. Let me zoom y'all in. Yep, this is how the peanuts look when they dug up. I'm right there full of peanuts. I'm gonna try to get a video with them digging it up. I'm gonna try my best. So yeah, this is how the peanuts look when they dug up, just like that. They just turn them over. Just turn the peanuts over. So yeah. This is how they look when they ain't dug up. But they haven't started here yet. But they ain't dug up yet, so. But this is how they look when they ain't dug up. But I'm gonna get y'all some more footage. I'm gonna try to get y'all some rolling footage. I'm gonna try. I can't, man, I can't. Hey, y'all can see they got all the equipment in the yard. They got all the equipment getting ready. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get y'all the footage where they turn them over again. So I'm gonna try. Y'all just bear with me on these peanuts. All right, I'm gonna get back with y'all. All right. YouTube, what's good? Just a whole nother day, whole nother video. Man, I'm trying to get y'all the video of the I'm trying to get y'all the video of them picking peanuts, but I couldn't, so yeah, so just a whole nother video, man. I gotta start uploading videos. I ain't been uploading. But yeah, man, today I'm blessed. Highly favored, you know. Yeah, but for the nose, man, the only thing I'm doing today, I'm load right so I can go dump. Come back and get another load. Go dump. So that's basically all I'm doing today, man. Because it rained last night, so I know they ain't gonna be able to pick peanuts though. But I still gotta, well, how the peanuts look when they up, but I ain't got them working them, but you know, I still got to clip that up in there. But you know, man, so for the nose, man, I need y'all to like, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell, man, all that good stuff, man. So you know, every time your boy drive, man. Yeah, so this is what I'm on today, man. Load my trailer with rides. So yeah, man, I need y'all to jump down in the comment section below, man. How much y'all think my trailer holds? Loaded from the back to the front. You only can carry 84,000, but guess what? My trailer don't hold 84,000. So I'm gonna let y'all jump down in the comment section, man. Let me know how much y'all think my trailer holds in the comment section below. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all my trailer, and y'all let me know what y'all think it holds. This is my trailer. So If y'all think my trailer hold 80,000, if y'all think my trailer hold, we already told y'all it don't hold 80,000. It don't hold 84,000, but I think, I ain't gonna tell y'all what it holds. I'm gonna let y'all jump down in the comment section below, man. Let y'all leave a comment section down below, man. So y'all can let me know what y'all think my trailer holds. I know what it holds. I want to see the person that get it right. I want to see the person that get it right. The person that get it right. The person that get it right. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna comment you back, and I need you to DM me your Cash App. The person that get it right. The first 3 people that close enough to get it right, I'm gonna comment back. Y'all DM me y'all Cash App, and I'm bless y'all, man. Yeah, but this is what I'm about to do. I'm about to move my trailer up. For right now, I'm gonna try to set my phone up because I still forgot my damn my tripod. So yeah, set my phone up. To get it right, I'm coming back and y'all gonna keep giving y'all Cash App. I'm gonna bless y'all Cash App. I'm gonna bless y'all Cash App. So yeah, this is what I'm doing. I need my camera to focus. Yeah, so this my trailer. Like I said, it don't hold 80,000. It don't hold 84,000. So it's somewhere in the 7 range. But I ain't gonna tell y'all. I'm gonna let y'all figure it out on y'all own. I'm gonna let y'all figure that out, man. Yeah, so let y'all jump down in the comment section below, like again, and let me know what y'all think my trailer holds. Like I said, it don't hold 80,000. It don't hold 84,000. So I know there's a lot of farmers out there. I know there's a lot of people out here driving these size trailers. Gonna hit it dead on the head. Watch and see. So I'm gonna fill it all the way up, and I'm gonna let y'all, the first 3 people that come in close to the number that when I get to the scale, what my trailer holds. So yeah, I'm gonna drop this video today. This video gonna be dropped today. The first 3 people, but you gotta watch the video all the way to the end. You gotta watch the video all the way to the end though, so you can know if you right or not. But first, you're gonna have to leave that comment section down below, man. No, I ain't gonna even drop my ticket. I ain't gonna drop my ticket. You know what? I'm gonna drop my ticket on what my trailer holds. I ain't gonna do that. I'm gonna drop my ticket on what my trailer holds. So. Yeah, so it's your boy, Country Boy 662, man. Hit your like, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell, man. All that good stuff, man. So every time your boy drop, man. I'm gonna get back on here once I get my trailer fully loaded, and I'm gonna let y'all see it. Alright, I'm out. YouTube, look at this. Man, just look. This crazy. I don't know when I'm gonna get done. Don't know when I'm gonna get done. It's crazy. And look how my truck parked on the back of the hill. They go to 11. That goes to 11. And I'm trying to get in and get done. Man. It's crazy. But hey, you know. We're gonna get it done. Alright. Probably gonna get it done. But trying to get in and get done. This is your boy, Country Boy 662. And I'm out. I done made it, guys. I done made it. I done made it. And yeah, I'm about to get probe and go right here. Up in this being and dumping. I gotta go get probe over there where that white truck is, the black truck. I gotta go over there and get on the scale where that truck going. So yeah. Got a half a tank of diesel, so yep, so this is what I'm doing. Go right there, get dumped. Well, I gotta get scaled first. And then I gotta what's the name? So yeah. I gotta start bringing my my selfie stick with me too, man. Start bringing my stick with me so I can what's the name? Yeah, I've been here ever since. Man, I'm gonna cut y'all back on though. Alright. You two, what's good? It's your boy, Country Boy 662, and I'm back at you with another video, man. Trying to get unloaded, man. At the Levitt in Tunica, man. Trying to get unloaded, but man, like we're gonna be stuck here. He's stuck. Let me show y'all what I mean in a minute. I'm gonna be stuck here. They close at 1:30. It's now 1:14. I gotta get across the Levitt. So yeah, man, I'm gonna show you, man. Now one truck behind me and trying to get over the levee. So I don't know how many trucks is over the levee before I get to the dump. But man, it's crazy. Gotta get over the levee into the gate. I don't know, man. I got one truck right here behind me, but then it ain't no more trucks back there, so I gotta get over the hump. So yeah, man, gotta get over the hump. Hope I make it. So yeah, man, hope I make it over the hump. So, cut y'all back on when I make it over the hump, man. Alright? I'm going over the hump, guys. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Man, y'all just look at this. They gotta get over the levee. Gotta make it all the way up there, man. Gotta make it.